Okay guys, ngayon, topic for today is Theory of Architecture Part 1, and this is only a refresher by ARKIdose. So ngayon, ang reference ko for this topic is yung mga reviewer na ginagamit sa review center. Okay. Art is a Sanskrit root for everything in its right place. So ngayon, ang architecture is nanggaling from the Greek word ARKI or great in English. Tekton is for creator. So we have types of theory, which is descriptive. Ito yung phenomenon or events. They are neutral and do not lean towards any ideology. Prescriptive naman, ito yung prescribed bases or guidelines. And then the critical is the challenges relationships. So ngayon, yung forms of theory naman is the spatial system, structural system, which is in the second figure, and then this spatial is the first, structural is the second picture, and the third is the enclosure, and the fourth is the circulation, and then the fifth is the context. Okay, let's go back for the spatial. Spatial or yung space inside the building. Like rooms, kitchen, so ganyan. So, structural, ito naman yung mga columns, foundations, yan, beams, yan yung tinatawag na forms of theory ng structural. And then, the enclosure, ito yung enclosure, which is ito yung walls. Mga walls, yung dividers. Circulation system, ito naman yung mga ginagamit sa utilities like hagdan, ramps, escalator, elevator, yan. And then next is the context. Context, ito naman yung tinatawag na, ito yung ibig nilang sabihin is yung meaning o yung idea mismo nung theory na na-apply sa building. Okay? Elements of design. Point, ito yung tinatawag na focal point, which is like the Paris, yung Eiffel Tower, siya yung focal point ng lugar. So, kahit saan ka pumunta, dahil nag-i-stand out siya lang yung mataas, the rest is mas mababa sa kanya. So, kahit gaano ka pa kalayo, kitang-kita mo siya. That is the element of the design na tinatawag na point. So, line. So, yan. Direction or line. The plane is the length or the width o yung shape, ito yung surface or the orientation or the position of the design. The volume naman, ito naman yung depth, mass, ito yung mass, form and space. Ito yung sa Brazil. Yes. The Brazil na building. And then architectural form naman is nagko-consist ng shape, size, color, texture, position, orientation, visual inertia, So, dimensional transformation, let's talk about that. Okay? Dimensional, ito yung, for example, a cube. Ito naman yung nagta-transform ka into similar prismatic form through, like, gagawin mo siyang rectangle. Lalagyan mo siya ng ganyan. Diba? Next naman is subtractive transformation. Ito yung nagbabawas ka naman. And then, like what I've said kanina, cube. Tinatapyasan mo naman ngayon. Subtractive. The word itself, subtract. Okay? Next is the additive transformation. Okay. Ito naman yung nagdadagdag ka. Siyempre nga, di ba? Adding ng isa pang shape sa isa pang shape. Ito, this additive transformation, for example, para mga modular houses or modular buildings. Yup. Kasi nag-add ka ng isa pang square or cube. Diba? Pinapatong-patong mo. Yeah. Form and space. Form and space. Ito yung spatial relationship, which is the space within a space. Ito naman yung nagko-contain within the volume of a larger space. Yung like this. Ito may space inside, but kung titingnan mo outside, mas malaki siya. Diba? Ano nyo na lang, imagine nyo na itong blue, this is the one. Tapos ito, just yan, paligid ng buong building. Ito yun. Okay. Form and space ulit. The second one is the interlocking space. Ito naman is yung nag-overlap with another space. Diba? Nakita nyo dun sa figure na yan. Na nag-overlap itong si blue sa isa pang mas malaking space. Or, kahit hindi man mas malaki, nag-overlap sila. And like that. This one and this one nag-overlap. Tsaka itong part na to, tsaka to. Kung pinatong mo sa taas, makikita mo na nag-overlap din. Form and space, spatial ulit. The third is the adjacent spaces. Yeah, this one is a space, and also this one is a space. Like this is the dining area, and then this is the living room. So, ito lang yung nagdudugtong sa kanila, which is the hagdan in the hallway. Diba? And form and space linked by a common space. Parang this is also like this one. Adjacent, this one, space. Ayan. But this is a building nga lang. Parang sabihin na natin parang simbahan, yung nave, nasa gitna, yung nave. And then, ito yung tinatawag nilang altar na dinadaanan ng, tama ba? Ng ikakasal ng babae. But, ang tawag doon sa dinadaanan pag kinakasal sa gitna ng simbahan is nave. Okay? Nave. Okay. And that's the first part, and wait for my part 2, and thank you.